An important feature that I just found out is you don't have to hold this all the time. If you push it in, hold it down, your thumb is free there for additional support. Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today I've got a product here I wanted to try out. It's a shear trimmer combo, handheld, lightweight. Let's take a look at that. And here's a look at the tool we're going to use today. It's the Black+Decker Compact Garden Shears and Trimmer Combo. We've already got the trimmer here, or the hedger blade, I guess. 6-inch blade here. Easy to change out. I'll show that later. Here's our shears right here. Now these are pretty sharp, so you got to be careful. It's got a lithium battery, 3.6 volts. Now when I got the trimmer here, it was already charged. To charge, all you do is just, comes with a battery charger there. Just insert right here in the back side. Now, like I said, mine was already charged and the green light was solid there. So it appears to be charged. Okay, to operate this, it's pretty comfortable. You can do it left-handed, right-handed. I'm right-handed. There's a safety switch here. Push with your thumb and then pull the trigger here. Kind of awkward with the cord in place, but it's about 2.5 pounds. We're going to try this out today, as well as our shears here. We'll change them out. First, let's try some hedges, and we'll go ahead and unplug it and go outside. So let's try it out here. So you can see this is overgrown. Here we go. And when you hear it stop, it's because my thumb is coming off of the safety button. It is taking me a little bit of time to get used to that. As far as the way it's working, I'm pretty pleased with it. Yeah, so not bad at all. Well, I've got plenty more here to do, and don't really expect this little guy here to do them all, but we'll find out. So I'm going to go ahead and set up on a tripod, and we'll keep trimming. Want to see how long the charge is going to last here. Now, I don't know if it's fully charged or not. Like I said earlier, when I got it, it was charged enough for the green light to be on, but I don't know if it's a full charge or not. So right after that video clip, I stopped because I wanted to try the shears out here before the battery gets weak. To do that, just push this button here to the side and pull. There's an arrow here, pull down. Cover comes off. Then you can pull the blade, attachment blade off. Put in the shears here. Alright, so you line up the holes with these little guide pins. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So we're going to put it in there like this. Okay, just like that. If you can see that. And we're ready for the cover again. Just slide it in like that, and we're ready to try it out. Alright, so they're supposed to be for grass. So this is where I would be using my weed eater. As you can see, these work just fine. It's almost like hair clippers. So yeah, that's not really bad. I like that too. Got some thicker grass here. And it slows down a little bit. Maybe I'm going too deep. I think it's really for the surface, blade, top. This is pretty heavy stuff here. So maybe you get the idea how to use this, what application. Okay, an important feature that I just found out is you don't have to hold this all the time. If you push it in, hold it down, your thumb is free there for additional support. So I'm going to need a recharge. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 of these boxwoods here. Let me kind of show you where I'm at now. It's getting very loose here. So we're going to recharge. So not so bad. For light jobs, yeah, not so bad. I'm going to recharge probably tomorrow. It's getting kind of late here. So I'm going to call it a day for the Black+Decker here, and probably finish those up tomorrow. I'll charge it for the first time myself and see how long that will last. As far as using it, yeah, it's not bad. Initially, it's very light when you're using it, very easy to turn. After a while, though, I had to learn how to switch hands and use my left for a little bit. My wrist was getting a little tired. Now, I think that's to be expected with most hedgers that are going to be around 2.5 pounds. It's going to take a little getting used to. At least for me, it will be. You know, I was using both my hands to hold it. You know, once you get the trigger, the safety set like that, yeah, you can use 2 hands, not really a problem. But yeah, I think it'll work out. So like I said, I'll be giving it a charge tomorrow and finishing those up. But for now, I guess that'll be it for the Black+Decker. Hope what you've seen has been somewhat helpful. Till next time, have a great day out there. Take care.